All of you, in this class we'll see causal and non-causal systems. Causal and non-causal systems. First we'll see what is causal system. Causal. Causal system is also called non-anticipatory system, and it is also known as physically realizable system. Physically realizable system. Okay, we'll see the definition. In the causal system, the output depends on only on the values of input at present or past, but not on future. This is the reason it is called non-anticipatory. Output at T0 depends on input at T less than or equal to T0. Equal to means present, less means past. Suppose discrete case, output at N0 depends on input at N less than or equal to N0. This type of system is called causal. See, why it is called physically realizable system? You can realize a system only if you know the inputs. You can realize a system only if you know the inputs. What type of inputs are known to us? Yes, we know the present input because we are in present. And already as it is over, we know the past inputs also. So we can realize only with that information. We can't predict the future. So if your system depends on some future inputs, you can't realize. As your human beings, we can realize only with the known facts. We don't know the future. That is the reason the system is called physically realizable system. So what is non-causal system? If output depends on future. If output depends on future, that is called non-causal system. Okay, means the output at T0 depends on T greater than T0 also. This type of system is called non-causal system. We'll see some problems. The question is, for each of the following input and output relationships, determine whether the system is causal. Okay, now let us see the first question. Y of n is equal to n into x of n. Okay, so observe the procedure carefully. First you have to start. What is meant by causal system? The present output must depends on present input and past inputs. You have to check only that condition. Okay. So now take n is equal to 0. What it implies? Your output y of 0 is 0 into x of 0. What is the answer? 0. Now for n equal to 1, y of 1 is 1 into x of 1 is nothing but x of 1. N equal to 2, y of 2, 2 into x of 2. N equal to minus 1, y of minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 into x of minus 1 is nothing but x minus x of minus 1. So if you observe the outputs depends on the present input. So if you observe the outputs depends on present inputs. See here, y of 0 depends on x of 0, y of 1 depends on x of 1, y of 2 depends on x of 2, y of minus 1 depends on x of minus 1. So the system is, therefore, the system is causal. Therefore, the system is causal. Okay. Next, we'll see. Y of t equal to x square of t plus x of t minus 2. Okay. Same procedure. Check for t equal to 0. That is y of 0. X square of 0 plus, so keep 0 here. So it becomes x of minus 2. Then y of 1. T equal to 1, y of 1, x square of 1 plus x of minus 1. T equal to 2, y of 2, x square of 2 plus x of 0. T equal to minus 1, y of minus 1, x square of minus 1 plus x of minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Okay. So if you observe the outputs, see here, if you observe the outputs, the output, present output depends on present input, means this is x square of 0, that is the present input, and x of minus 2 past input. Here also present output y of 1 depends on present input and minus 1 is the past. Here present output is at 2, present input 2 and past input 0. So as the output depends on present input, this all is present and this whole is past. So as this depends on present and past, the system is causal. The system is causal. Now, take another one. Y of n equal to x of minus n. Same. N is equal to 0. Y of 0, x of minus 0. Y of 1, x of minus 1. Y of 2, x of minus 2. Y of minus 1, x of 1. Y of minus 2, x of 2. Because if you keep minus, it becomes plus. Okay. So if you observe the present output, see here, the present output. In these two cases, the present output depends on future. x of 1 is future. Present is minus 1, but it depends on x of 1. So hence it is depending on the future values. Okay. So if you compare the minus 1 and 1, first minus 1, then you have to go 0, then you have to go to 1. So okay. So if you compare minus 1, then minus 1 for minus 1, 1 is future. So that is the reason the system is non-causal. Why it is non-causal? These two are future inputs. The two are future inputs. Okay. Then I'll say another problem. Y of t equal to x of t minus 2 plus x of 2 minus t. Same. Y of 0, x of minus 2 plus x of 2. Y of 1, x of minus 1 plus x of 1. Y of 2, x of 0 plus 0. Y of minus 1, x of minus 3 plus x of 3. Y of minus 2, x of minus 4 plus x of 4. So if you observe the present output, okay, see 0 is present. For 0, minus 2 is past, 2 is future. So the present output depends on past and future, and here also. For 1, minus 1 is past and plus 1 is future, and this also. So yes, for 2, yes, these are past inputs. And minus 1 present. For minus 1, minus 3 is past, 3 is future. So totally the system depends on future values. The system is non-causal. Okay. So all these are future. Hence the system is non-causal system. I think you are very clear with causal and non-causal systems.